Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can use filters on OM TV. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC or laptop and search for om.tv. After that, log in using your account and you will be redirected to this page. Now, minimize your browser and open Snap Camera on your PC. After that, open OBS Studio and add a new video capture device. In the device section, select SnapCam or any other filter camera like Camo and click on OK. Also, make sure to enable the virtual camera. After that, open the selected device application. In my case, it is Camo, and apply any filter you like. By the way, in Camo, you can add a new background and other filters by just selecting them. After that, open the browser again, and in the camera tab, select the OBS Studio camera, that is Webcam C252. And that's how you can use filters on OM TV. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.